Anybody considering a college education should definitely choose the University of Akron, especially as a science student. My name is Abigail LaMarca, and I'm majoring in biomedical sciences with a minor in chemistry, and I plan to graduate in the spring of 2021. I chose to come to the University of Akron because of how close it is to really all the resources downtown. I have a large interest in medicine, obviously, as you can probably tell by my major, and we have plenty of hospitals to choose from in the downtown city of Akron. And then also we're very close to a whole lot of other medical schools, you know, Neomed, Case, a lot of schools in Cleveland, and honestly a lot of hospitals in Cleveland. The best part of my time spent here at the University of Akron has 100% been the research experience I've been able to obtain. I got involved with research very early on in my first semester of freshman year, and I stayed with one lab, the Andronowski lab, and through that lab I received really a plethora of different research opportunities. The first one started with how opioids affect bone remodeling, and through that I was also able to gain a lot of cadaver dissection experience, which most students aren't able to gain until usually graduate school. Anybody considering a college education should definitely choose the University of Akron, especially as a science student because of the many bridge programs that we have with other universities. You'll find a lot of times in science, well, you can certainly get your degree from Akron and then go ahead and enter the workforce and do that for the rest of your life. But a lot of times you'll find that you have to further your education a little bit farther than the undergraduate area. And we have a lot of affiliations with medical schools and graduate programs near us that allow students to really secure a spot a lot earlier than a lot of other students in the country may be able to. Another one of my favorite things about studying at the University of Akron is the countless amount of really public speaking opportunities I've had. I think one of the most important things about going to school and getting your undergraduate education is learning how to speak to other people and how to present ideas that you've learned in ways that everybody else can understand them, because what's the point of learning all this cool stuff if you can't share it with anybody else? Another one of the best things about the University of Akron is the professors that we have and the relationships that students are truly able to develop with them. So we have some really excellent professors, some really brilliant researchers who are researching things, and some of them even at the top of their fields. And at Akron, we're being taught right next to and by those professors. We are in labs with them with perhaps only 10 other students, and this was perhaps before COVID even. So that goes to show that you're really getting taught by the person who is best at the subject. As far as my future career goes, Akron has equipped me with all the tools that I feel like I need to apply to graduate school. I really feel like I have everything that I need ready to go in line. I have my letters of recommendation that professors are willing to write. I know everything required in the application, or even just a job application. I also feel prepared to go out in the world and get a brand new job if I wanted to. My biggest advice to any incoming student in the science department at the University of Akron is to explore, explore, explore. You might come in here thinking you know 100% what you want to do, because I certainly did. I came in here knowing what I wanted to do, and I got involved in things really because a professor told me to, and I just trusted him. I thought he was a smart guy, so I ended up getting involved in all sorts of things, and it showed me things that I did not even know existed, jobs that I never heard of in high school. So when you come to Akron, my biggest advice is just do everything, get involved.